Soy el fuego que... Alright guys, here we are. Just switched out the camera to wide angle. Just want to show you guys how the car sounds at stock muffler. It's a 535 2015 turbo. It's not loud at all, but I think that I can make it sound better. I'm gonna close the windows now so you guys can hear it. I'm driving 46 miles per hour right now, and it's pretty quiet. It's definitely a nice car. It's got the M package. I'm just gonna speed up a little bit so you guys can hear the engine. It's definitely a quick response, but I'm planning on doing something right now. Let's see how it's gonna sound.
Don't ask me to talk. I do as a teenager. I do as a teenager. Don't ask me to talk. I do as a teenager. Then those panties done. Isn't done. Isn't done. Then those panties done. Isn't done. Then those
Sounds amazing. Alright, now let's see how it sounds from inside here. I mean, I can definitely hear the exhaust already, and I'm very happy. I don't like when it's too quiet. Let's see. Windows are closed. Yeah, it's still pretty quiet, but I know that it's whenever I hit the throttle, it's gonna scream. That's kind of what we want. I'll try it out in a little bit. Sounds pretty good. Oh yeah. Changed a lot. Let me put the windows down. God, something happened. Oh, I'm sorry, lady. Oh my God, it sounds so good.